Hey guys, this is Sean from the YouTube channel Mopar Life, and you may be wondering, this isn't a Mopar, this is a Toyota. Well, I've already got the AUXITO LED headlights on my Mopar, my Dodge Challenger. You can see that on the Mopar Life YouTube channel. And I love those lights so much that I've partnered up again with AUXITO, and this time we are going to put on the LED fog lights on my daily driver Toyota Sequoia. This is a 2008. This car I drive every single day, every single night, and I need better fog lights. And the halogen bulbs that come with these old cars are just not cutting it. So they've sent me these fog lights, LED upgrade, and I'm gonna put them on and we're gonna see how well they work. Let's open the box and see what we got in here. And yes, there they are, the two LED bulbs that I'm going to be putting in the fog lights in the Sequoia. Let's get started. So here's the passenger side fog light bulb, and we're just going to reach in from the back, give it a twist, and pull it right out. And there it is. And there's what the LED bulb looks like plugged in. And don't forget to always use gloves when handling these bulbs, that way you don't touch anything with your fingers. And I'll put it right back in the slot and give it a twist. And there it is, back in position, nice and tight. Let's go see what a difference it made. Okay, here's the original. We got the yellowy halogen bulb. And slide on over, and definitely, that's what I love, that bright white light. Wow. Okay, let's do the other side so we can get them both in there. That's gonna be nice. Wow, what an upgrade. And there they are. And when I say it only takes a couple minutes, I mean a couple minutes. It is very quick. Really, you unplug it, you twist it out, you put it back in, you plug it in, you are done. And look at that beautiful bright white. Just look how it compares to the halogen headlights with that yellow. The bright white fog lights look fantastic. And last night I went and took a before video of the fog lights, and then tonight I'm going to take an after video and see what kind of difference it makes in my visibility. But I can already tell you, after having the AUXITO LEDs in the headlights of the Challenger, that these fog lights are definitely going to be a game changer. So let's see what happens with the new fog lights with a before and after. So here we are driving through just a regular neighborhood. The factory bulb is on the left and the AUXITO LED is on the right. And look at the difference. This is just a fog light. This isn't even the headlights, and you can tell what a big difference it makes with that bright white light shining down on the ground. And then we're gonna go over and get on an FM road, farm to market road here in East Texas, where it's really dark and you gotta watch for deer. And look how much extra light that puts out on the right hand side. Bright white, and it has a wider spread than the factory halogen bulbs. And then I'm going to turn down an even darker road with no ambient lighting whatsoever, and you can barely even tell that I did anything on the left. The AUXITO LEDs lit that road up in front of me so good, and it was so nice. And of course, look how bright they are in the parking lot with just no light at all, and it makes the car look so much more modern with an LED. This is a 15-year-old SUV. Looks great. So there it is, guys. That's the LED upgrade to the fog lights on my 2008 Sequoia. If you've got an older daily driver like I do, you know the importance of upgrading the yellowy, dingy halogen lights to LEDs for sure. Because not only does it give you a better visibility, but it actually makes the car look more modern. When I look at it with the LEDs going down there with the bright white, it kind of makes it look a little newer. This car's got 275,000 miles on it, and the LED upgrade really helps kind of modernize it, because most of the newer cars are going to come with some sort of bright white light. But if you've got an older one like this, or if you have the halogen option like I had on my 21 Dodge Challenger, it's definitely an upgrade. So I appreciate AUXITO LED for reaching out to me again. And if you want something like this for your car, make sure you order the AUXITO LED lights, bulbs. They have a huge selection. And don't forget to use Mopar Life as a coupon code and save 15%. Thanks for watching.